Okay, so I got a new PR package from Born Pretty the other day, and it's some gorgeous, gorgeous cat eyes. They're all very different. I'm going to insert my swatching video. It's like a short just right here, so you can see how beautiful they are. So we have a blue, a purple, which is nice. I don't have many purple gels at all. Like a copper blue when it is magnetized. It's so beautiful. And this electric guava, oh my god, it's like perfect for spring. But yeah, so I have these 4 gels. I'm gonna pick one of them because they're very different. Like I said, I don't think I can work 2 into a set. So I'm gonna decide what I'm going to use, and we are going to make a gorgeous press-on nail set with some medium almond gel nail extensions, and I'm super excited. I haven't made press-ons, well, I haven't worn press-ons in a while. These are Gel X that I did the other day. I think they came out so cute, and I finally figured out how to nail stamp properly, and I'm going to be like doing that all the time, I think, because it is so, gives you like just so many more options and stuff. And sometimes like charms annoy me lately, like not these because they're small, but bigger charms, like I don't know, they annoy me. So yeah, but I think these are cute. I should have filmed them, but of course I didn't. But anyway, back to the Born Pretty. Like I said, 4 very beautiful different shades, as you have seen in my little swatching montage, and we're gonna make some nails. Okay, so I sized out the tips that I'm going to use for my press-ons. These are medium almonds. There are these ones, but they don't exist anymore. But it's fine. Just use a medium almond if you're following along by any chance. I just gravitate towards these for press-ons, and since they don't exist, I guess I should finish them up. But yeah, so we have those. They're not prepped at all right now. And I have my 2 super gross nail stands. I need new ones like very soon. They're very well loved. So we're just gonna put those on, and I'm going to prep them with a primer. I think I'm gonna use this one because I don't feel like buffing today. So we're gonna do that. I'm really excited for my job interview on Friday. I'm nervous, but understandably nervous. I haven't had a job in a little bit. Hoping that I get it though, because you couldn't even see what I was doing there. Because it will just be nice. The baby is 7 months old now, so I feel like, oops, I'm ready to get back out there and make some money. I'm really hoping my videos start to do a little bit better. I'm still going to make them regardless because this is my favorite thing to do. I just love nails so much. But, you know, sometimes views are very slow for me. I don't know. Am I just like super boring? I don't know, but whatever. And I'm just gonna file the tips, and then we're going to prime them chemically. I'll just show you like 1 or 2 because it's super repetitive. I'll just think it'll be nice to have a couple of sets of press-ons in case I don't feel like doing Gel X at some point. For some reason, that's what I've been mostly doing. I finally got like my prep down and stopped biting my nails, and so they're staying on as they should. So I just feel like it makes more sense for me to do Gel X. But it's always nice to have nails just ready to go in case. So I guess I showed you me filing all of them. These really don't need much shaping at all. On some nails, like this little nub is bigger, which is annoying, but these only need a tiny bit of filing, which is nice. Okay, let's see if this opens because it's a little leaky. I honestly don't love this. Like, my Savvyland primer honestly works better for me, so yeah, we're using this for this. I know like a lot of people are like, oh, you need better quality products. Like, that's what they say. But as long as you're using the product correctly, you really can get away with using cheaper products. In my opinion, it's more so the, what's the word I'm looking for? It's early right now. It's like 7 in the morning. It's the way that you use the products. I can't think of the word. Oh my god. Same thing with like makeup. It's the tools and the technique that matters more. This is working really well though for this. And I do like the tiny brush on here, but I wouldn't repurchase. See how it's getting like foggy? That's what you want. You want some texture for your gels to stick to. Okay, I'm gonna do the other hand, same thing off camera, and then we'll move on.